What are we going to open up today? Ooh, will do. Today we are opening up the Sega Genesis, known as the Mega Drive outside of North America. It was Sega's third console and the successor to the Master System. Sega released it in 1988 in Japan, at the Mega Drive, and in 1989 in North America as the Genesis. In 1999, it was established as the Mega Drive by by Virgin Metronics. I think it was called that in Europe. Uh, it was 1990. I think it said. I'm gonna be opening it up. Hopefully, I do not destroy it though. Alright, it's first I want to see real quick if it'll still turn on. Here I think the. Okay, let's see if it's alive. Ew. Oh, it's alive! Awesome! Alright, I'm glad I did not have to repair anything. It's Alright, let's get the game. Let's check if it works. Oh, light's not coming on. Oh. Well. Awesome. Alright, but is there any sound to it? Yeah, there's sound. I'm not going to use that for copyright reasons. I'm going to turn off the light for this. Alright, it works, and now let's open it up. Alright, and we are in it. Can I take this out? No. Oh, not let me. Yeah, it won't. Plus I don't want to break it. But, so this is what's going inside of it. Would put your game in there, or process the, these things. Get them. Oh, it's, but I did not just come for that. Ooh. Oh wow. I'm scared to touch stuff. What are you? This is. Let me zoom in. Wow. So, 90s, I think. Yeah. Where is it? Hold on. A second. Alright, I think if I'm right, that is, that's for the sound. It's YM2612, aka OPN2. I'm trying to read this here. Member of the OPN family, Option family, was developed as a stripped down version of YM208, YM2608. Jeez, I'm having a stroke. But let's see if I can go. Ooh. Scared. I don't want to break anything. Yeah, I don't want to. Oh, yeah. I don't want to flunk anything. I think that's neat. Yeah, I would have to have not just a screwdriver to get in. No, wait, I can. Oh. No, we can. Can we? Oh, no, that is in the way of that. Can I move that? No, I can't. I'll break it. Oh, no, no. Going in even more. See if we can lift it. Is there another screw? Oh, yeah, I think there's underneath that. No. Oh, okay. But Yeah, that's neat. Here, I don't wanna shock myself. I wanna see if I can plug it back in. Ooh, crap, need to be careful there. Yeah, I'm gonna real quick turn this on. I hope I didn't break anything. Shh, don't fluck it. Don't fluck it. Don't fluck it. Oh no, wait, hold on. That's the. I'm scared. Alright, it is on. Alright, I'm scared. Yeah, okay, it's on. I see. I don't know if it shows up, but the red light is on. Still. So, yeah. But here, I'm gonna use something not metal to turn it off. I might put a game in. Just see. Alright. Well. Do you work? Oh wait, no, wait a minute. I forgot. I'm stupid. I'm supposed to plug in the main cord. Alright. To connect it to that. Alright. I swear the amount of stupidity in me. TV. Gonna work? Did I break something? Hope I didn't. Check everything. Oh no. Maybe completely stupid. Wait. Went there. Know what I did? It's not. Put the game in. Where am I putting it up? Hold up. Oh. Wait. Okay, it's in. What'd I do? Oh, well, it worked. What I... Yeah, but... Huh, okay, that scared me for a minute. Yeah, I think. Right there, that's for the sound. Picture? I don't know. But, yeah, it's, it's back on. Okay, now I'm gonna have to put this back. Ooh. Crusty. Oh, this is gonna be a minute. There we go. Please don't break anything in the process. Ew. There's small screws and big screws. And I know for a fact I'm gonna end up having one more freaking screw. You know what? Time lapse. I think I'll put it together better than the factory. Well, okay. Let's see if it still works here. Alright, it's on. So, well, I'm done. I'm going to bed.